This is Luigi in another video. So I'm gonna show you after downloading MetaTrader 5 how it's gonna happen and everything. So you're gonna enter in Presto, then you search here MetaTrader 5. After that you just click download, and after clicking download you just see the app will tell you install or open, and after that you just open your account. Mine is just a current pin like here. After saving up the current pin, you can just enter your current pin. After saving up, you just see your account like this. Then you come right here. See, as you can see here, there's a chat, but I didn't log in. So you just see like this, which will just show you login to an existing account to open them account. Okay, I had this account, but you can open. First you want to see an account right here, so you click open the account and you click like this, open. When it comes like this, it's right to you log into an existing account or MetaTrader demo or whatever. So you will click open demo account. After clicking open demo account, to show you some details to log in, but I've already filled in my details. So you fill in your phone number, your email account, everything. After you click accept. After clicking accept, you can register. Getting registered as usual, and the account will be already logged in directly to your MetaTrader platform. After that, you enter in codes. As you can see, these are my codes. And today is Monday, the market is open. We can see, this is a chart showing bearish and bullish candlesticks. This is a candlestick chart, as you can see here. Yeah, we're having the balance of 100,000 USD is equal to 100 free margin, like that, as you can see here. This is our account already. So here you can enter in the charts. You can just, if you're doing strategies as normal, as you can see, you can just set somewhere to know where there's a support, or we can say to know where there's the highest point of supply. Yeah, as you can see here, the highest point of supply and high points of demand. Yeah, or you can say support and resistance level. This is a support level where we can predict that the market, if it reaches here, we can go and backtest up the sideways, we can go uptrend. And that's all. After adding there everything, you can click to history. History will show you how many profits you get, and here we show you the symbols, tickets, types, volume, open time. You just know how to arrange the all profitable. And for example, you can see for her. So let's see, for example, here these are low size. We can put on 10 low size and that's it. Okay. So as you can see here, we're in lows. We're having $100,000 here in lows. So if we close one, this, you're gonna find it here. So this is how you're gonna see it. If we click it in symbols or tickets, let's see from the opening time. See here, we can say opening time. This one is open before this one, and closing time. This one is closed after this one. So here you can choose the dates for, you can choose 3 months. As you see, the account is new. You can just say this week, and this week we just set it 2. And as you can see, now we are holding the trade, and you can just see where it's going. Approximately it's going down. As you can see, the downtrend right now. Yes. Thank you, and welcome to my account, and I wish you to subscribe my account for more videos. Thank you.